anyone in estate, this is almost gone. So they are currently doing a Christmas promo which is going to end on the 31st of December, and you don't want to miss this opportunity, guys, because to me, I see this opportunity as buy one get one free, and I will explain what that means. Okay, so but before I do that, let us quickly go through the promo that they are offering. So basically, the holiday season is the perfect moment to strengthen your investment portfolio. So estate is now launching exclusive bonuses for investors who want to maximize their capital growth before the end of the year. So these are the December bonuses that you will get when you purchase these real estates. Number one is the lake house. Don't worry, I'm going to show you a picture of that. You will purchase a lake. When you purchase a lake house, you'll be given the Christmas bonus of 500 ETK, which will allow you to spin the wheel and stand the chance to win up to $1,000. Number two bonus is when you purchase the Phoenix commercial property, you will get 25 EST, which is equivalent to Lake House, $250. The last opportunity here that they are offering is the LA land plots. When you purchase a portion of this, you will be given a Christmas bonus of 312 EST, which to me is equivalent to LA Villa. So this is the reason why I am saying initially that it is buy one, get one free. And the bonuses apply to all purchases that is made through December 31st. After this date, the program will close. Miss the opportunity. This is the most strategic time to strengthen your portfolio and enter 2026 with a greater share of real income generating assets. So that being said, let me quickly show you the pictures of this promo that they are doing. This is the first promo that they are doing. When you purchase a portion of this, okay, this one is the lake house, and the minimum purchase is $250. When you purchase a portion of this, you will be given up to 500 ETK, which will give you the opportunity to spin the money wheel and win up to 1,000. The second property they are offering is the commercial property in Phoenix. This one, you will start with a minimum of $10,270, and you will be given $250 equivalent to the lake house property. Okay, so they will give you bonus, which is equivalent to the first promo real estate that you are supposed to purchase for this. Okay, so it's like you are buying this one just now and they are giving you this one for free. Guys, I have not seen this kind of opportunity, so don't sit on this. Just hurry up and get this as fast as you can before the 31st of December. This is the last property that they are offering for this Christmas promo. Okay, this one is the land plot in LA. This is for big guys that's got money. $51,310. When you purchase this, you are going to be given 312 EST, which is equivalent to LA Villa. Now, I know some of you may not have seen the LA Villa, so I'm going to show you that. So this is the summary of basically what they are offering just now. Okay, so if you buy this property on my left hand side, you will be given the opportunity to win $1,000. Okay, because you will be given 500 ETK for you to spin the wheel. That is the money wheel that you are looking at on my right hand side. Okay, and then this one is the second bonus they are giving when you buy this property, which is the commercial one in Phoenix for $10,270. You will get Christmas bonus of $250, which is equivalent to purchasing the lake house. And then this one, the last one, is the one that you have to purchase. Is the land plot that you have to purchase in LA. Require about $51,310 minimum to purchase this, and you will be given a Christmas bonus of 312 EST, okay, which is equivalent to $3,120. So guys, this opportunity is great. It doesn't come every single time, so hurry up and get this as quick as you can. The link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team, and don't miss this opportunity. Remember that the lowest you can get from this opportunity is the lake house property, okay, which is $250. You will get this, and you will be given the reward of 580K, which will now allow you the chance to win up to 1,000. So go for the $250, and then you will be given this 580K. So that is me. Thank you very much. I just thought I should let you guys know that this opportunity is still here until 31st of December. So it's almost gone. So please hurry up. The link to join is below this video description. I will see you in my next video.